Welcome back to our explainer. I am so thrilled you're joining me today because we are jumping into part 2 of a truly wonderful 10-part series. This is a friendly, highly approachable guide designed specifically for older adults, put together by the fantastic team at Virtualization Options, LLC. Now, if you caught part 1, you know that generative AI is really just like a very smart digital assistant. Today, we're taking the next step together. We're going to put faces to names, so to speak, and look at the actual tools you can use right from the comfort of your own home.
So here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll meet 3 friendly tools. Second, ChatGPT for long conversations. Third, Gemini, Google's built-in helper. Fourth, Copilot, your Microsoft assistant. And finally, how they all actually work.
All right, Section 1. Meet 3 friendly tools. Let's just take this one step at a time, completely at your own pace.
Just a quick note before we dive in, this helpful tutorial comes to us from Virtualization Options, LLC. They are a Colorado-based technology research, education, and advisory organization. They specialize in making complex technology simple and accessible for everyone, especially those of us who didn't exactly grow up with a smartphone glued to our hands.
3. That is our magic number today. You know, the world of technology can sometimes feel like it's throwing a million different options at you, which is honestly dizzying. But today, we're clearing away all that noise. We are only focusing on 3 specific, highly approachable tools.
And perhaps the absolute best news of all is that these 3 tools won't cost you a single penny. They are entirely free to start. No hidden fees, no credit cards required. They are literally just waiting on your device to assist you right now whenever you feel comfortable giving them a try.
Okay, moving right along to Section 2, ChatGPT for long conversations. Let's introduce our very first helper.
So our first tool is ChatGPT, which was created by a research company called OpenAI. Now, I know the company name sounds a bit technical, but the tool itself is incredibly friendly. Just think of chat as exactly what it sounds like, having a nice conversation, and GPT is simply the engine running quietly in the background, making it all work.
ChatGPT truly acts like a knowledgeable friend you can just sit down with over a cup of coffee. It's brilliant for writing a letter or answering questions, anything from random history trivia to asking exactly how long to bake a casserole. And because it remembers what you just said a few minutes ago, it's absolutely perfect for long, flowing conversations about any topic you're curious to learn more about.
Whenever you feel adventurous and want to say hello, just open up your internet browser and type this address into the top bar. I'll spell it out loud for you. chat.openai.com. That's chat.openai.com. Completely free to visit.
On to Section 3, Gemini, Google's built-in helper. If that first tool sounded a bit new, this next one comes from a very familiar neighborhood.
Our second tool is called Gemini, and it comes from a name you are likely already very comfortable with, Google. If you've ever looked up the weather, found a recipe, or searched for directions on the internet, you have used Google. Gemini is simply their brand new, highly intelligent assistant.
What makes Gemini so wonderful is how unbelievably convenient it is. You don't have to go hunting for a new website. It lives right inside programs you probably use every single day. It's being built directly into Google Search and even into Gmail. It's kind of acting like a helpful neighbor who already lives right next door. In fact, because Gemini is being built directly into standard Google tools, you might actually already be using AI without even knowing it. No way, right? But seriously, if you've done a Google search recently and noticed a really helpful, nicely written summary at the very top of your results, that is generative AI quietly helping you out. So see, you're already a natural.
Let's look at Section 4, Copilot, your Microsoft assistant.
Let me introduce you to our third and final friendly option, Microsoft Copilot. Much like Google, Microsoft is a company that has been a staple in our homes for decades. If you have a personal computer, there's a really good chance it runs on Microsoft software. They've named their AI Copilot, which I absolutely love. It implies that you are the pilot, you are in complete control, and the AI is just sitting in the passenger seat ready to hand you the map when you need it.
Just like our last example, Copilot is woven right into standard Microsoft software that you might already be incredibly comfortable with. It's being built directly into the Windows operating system itself. If you use Microsoft 365 programs like Microsoft Word to type documents or Outlook to check your email, Copilot is designed to sit right alongside you in those familiar spaces.
Copilot truly shines when it comes to everyday tasks. Imagine you need to write an email to a business, and you're just struggling to find the right polite words. Copilot can draft it for you in seconds. Or if you receive a very long, tedious document from someone, Copilot can easily condense it and just tell you the main points you need to know. It saves so much time and mental energy.
Okay, Section 5. How they all work. So what does this all mean? It's the natural question you're probably wondering right now. How do they actually work? Is it complicated? Do I need to learn a new computer language? Well, the answer is delightfully simple.
The whole mechanism behind these tools is so easy. Step 1. You type a question. That's literally it. You just type what you want to know using your regular keyboard. Step 2. The AI replies in plain, friendly language. It doesn't give you computer code, it speaks to you like a person. If you can type a question into a search bar or type an email to your family, you already have all the skills required to use every single one of these tools.
Now, sure, there is a vast, complex digital network of computers humming away miles from your home to make this work, but you can completely ignore that complexity. The experience on your end is identical across the board. Whether you choose ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, or Microsoft's Copilot, they all work exactly the same way. You ask, they answer.
I want to end on a really reassuring note with a direct quote straight from our guide. Easy. If you were feeling a little intimidated when we started today, just take a deep breath. It really is that easy. You don't need tech experience, you don't need to spend money, and you are entirely in control.
And that brings us beautifully to the end of today's explainer. I want to leave you with a gentle question to think about. Which of these 3 friendly tools will you say hello to first? Will it be ChatGPT for a nice long conversation, Gemini right in your Google search, or maybe Microsoft Copilot to help with an email? I invite you to take a small, brave step forward and try just one of these free tools today. Just say hello and see what happens. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and I really look forward to exploring more of this friendly guide with you next time.